How to fix can't take screenshots due to security policy on Android device. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. After that, after you are in incognito mode, simply search for Chrome //flags. And right over here, what in the search flags option, what you will have to type is screenshots. And this will pop up. After that, tap on this drag down button and then select enabled. And, and now you will be able to take screenshots in your device. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.